favorites menu. On the new CMOS handle, if you have the CMOS handle, you can have favorites menu. When you hit the arrow up and down, you can choose which one you want. You see the green box? As soon as you let off of the button, and you see down here in the bottom, that's what you have selected. If you're used to the old CLAAS chopper, the trigger switch in front of the handle that used to run the contouring side to side for your corn head or your roller crop press, that's the button. You can now assign 7 different functions. So now if you want to raise your spout up and down, use the roller crop press button because we have spout. Now if we move it to air horn, now just tap the button and you can hear that the air horn goes. So we have different menus to do that. And then when you go into the setting menu and come to favorite management, this is where you can assign which ones and which position that you want. So if you want a front attachment, something different, you can assign all of these different options. So the favorites menu is a very, very nice feature. All you gotta do is hit your button up and down to change that function.